brainstorm. A lot more steps in today after my job's community event for back to school stuff, care fair, giving back to the kids. Illinois. DC5 Creations. There's a lot of different cars here, man. A lot of steps we're gonna do to check them out. Yeah, this beast shoots out godly flames, dude. Thing's sick. Ooh, 224 slot, Del Sol. Shit, dude. It smells like a tractor in Poland. This is sick. Matador and shit.
Oh, it's a rich in the wild. Definitely a clean ride. And they go fast.
A lot of sick cars, man. I bet that shit is so light. Left lane got it. Yeah, that's crazy. That Hyundai Electra, that shit was crazy, bro. That was scooting. What the fuck? These electric cars, man, they boogie. This is actually like a perfect spot, like with a view. Even if he doesn't shift that good, he still got it, man. What kind of matchup was that? Yo, this Hyundai SUV, bro, that thing be boogieing, especially top speed. I see it just keep gunning. I'm like,
We're ready to go. We'll see what takes off.
7-1.
What is that?
Like the. You seen that his hood wanted to lift right there. That sunset is looking pretty dope right now. There's a lot of shit going on. Pretty dope. I know the lighting's probably a little shite, but this Odyssey, this thing's pretty rad. Right hand drive. It's low. It's like a wagon, but a van. Nice. Night vibes, man. Packed over. Got the drag line up. It smells so good. All the fuel fumes and all the burnout smell. I spy a TSX. Love to see it, man. Woo. Finally seen the TSX on the strip right there. Dude Chris. He's Chris too. I had a quick chat with him. He follows me. He knows of us. That's cool. So he was like, dude, I didn't expect to see you. I didn't expect to see a TSX on it, but I think it's just like stock, and he got exhaust or something and coils or whatever. But he's planning to go turbo. Nice piece of shit together and all that. He's having some fun. This thing is gnarly. What? We got an hour drive back. We've been here for some time. I've been tired all day.
He's been at work since basically 5 o'clock. He's been up since 5.
We've been doing it. We've been doing it. I was talking to Mike Massey from Danny Duncan's channel and stuff. That was pretty cool. Networking like that, just chatting it up about cars and builds and things going on. I always try to like strive for something like that out of an event. Just at least meet one person, 2 people. You know, you just have a genuine conversation with. Shoot the shit. Just like the TSX guy and then Mike. That was cool. Good morning, y'all. Got the Honda in hand. The homie Kenneth. The one that's part of the new mods admins in our TSX Nerds group. I found out he does some like tuning stuff on the side and whatnot, so he helped me out with a revision. This car hasn't been really running right from his data log. Up top was like too rich and down low a little bit too lean. And I already knew this car was having some issues, and plus it's not really custom tuned to this specifically. So put it on right now and then we'll go from there. We're gonna drive to work on this map. Okay? Okay. Peace. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. Fuck! Ah! I was just talking about the liquid gold, bro. Don't mind the steering wheel, alarm. Got our energy. Now rainstorm, dude. So my check engine light popped up, but I think that was due to the thermostat temperature or something. Didn't get up to temp. And this is off like a cold start usually. We just clocked out of work, getting shit done. You already know what it is, man. Completing a bunch of tasks to go home and hopefully complete some other tasks as well. Don't worry about the check engine light. That is because I didn't turn off the O2 sensor for bank 2. So yeah, and of course it's starting to rain again. So we shall see. The AC was working, now it's not. I have a leak somewhere, so I got to figure that out. I thought I put dye in the system, but maybe I don't think it really took it. So I'll have to see about that. And then it's rainy season, so I don't have any rain guards and the windows be down and whatnot. It's awful. It's awful to deal with because it gets all foggy. The true Honda experience, right? No AC, rain guard. You either have them, half of them flew off, or I'm getting some. I'm not getting anything too fancy. Hopefully they fit, but we shall see. Hopefully they overly fit so I could then make them fit better. Not they're too short and they don't line up. There's gonna be a little bit of POV action talking to y'all like you're in the passenger seat, like what's up? What's up with it? Got some free catering. A little Greek city over here, never had it really. Despite everything, y'all, blessed and grateful to be able to record videos, to be able to pay my bills, to have a job, to have 3 TSXs that we're working on, mainly 2 because the 04 really haven't driven that fucker in like a month. It feels like, I'm pretty sure it's been like a month. We're just bringing that thing back to stock really, and I don't know, going from there. Maybe we'll end up selling it, maybe we'll keep it, and it's going to be the booze car that you can learn how to drive the manual on, not be as worrisome maybe. I don't know what the future may behold, but all I know is we definitely need a different project, a different car eventually, but first I have to get done with the shit I got going on. And I really need a rig. I need an SUV or a pickup truck, man. It's like, it's a must with all the car parts, with all the hauling I want to do, with all the travel. We need something for the doggos, for us. No better traffic. I guess it's perfect. I can talk to you guys and be in do more, and also I'm thinking about starting up some landscaping again, because we did that back in the day as some family. Made great money when I was younger, man. I spent all that shit on, but I spent all that shit on some fun, teenage year fun, you know. It's stupid. I wish I just didn't care about some of the shit and just saved it all and just kept busting my ass with that. But live and learn. Yellow. Yeah, so I'm thinking about starting that up again, which I'm probably gonna do. I hate thinking about shit and it's the back of my mind, oh, shoulda. Nah. It's all about executing and doing now. Because I am so sick of thinking about things and it becoming in the back burner. Or an opportunity arises, I'm like, oh man, I should have started when this. No. We're gonna get that shit done. We're gonna get that shit started. And I just gotta buy my shit. I got a little push mower, got an electric weed eater, but get like an Eco 2620 or something. That's like 400 bucks. So I'm like, oh shit. I gotta worry about the car parts. I'm worrying about this car, the turbo car. And that's the thing, y'all. That's why some videos take a while. That's why some progress, it takes a little bit longer than others. Some shit is more expensive, more time consuming, more effort. And that's not saying that I don't want to do it or I'm not eager to get around to it, but some things just takes its course, take priority. Like I said, a little bit sporadic with this, but we are trying. We are making progress, whether it's with this car, the white TSX. I'm trying to spread the progress within the days that I can fit things in. Like yesterday, I did a whole front end suspension check on this car. It's like, this car has been feeling wonky. You guys see the steering wheel is like whatever. I'm getting some shake. This thing needs a new rear mount, which I just bought yesterday. I believe I need a half shaft too, on top of the alignment, on top of probably the tires that are just like some old shit, but they have way more tread than whatever else I have at the moment. Little things here and there that I just gotta replace, gotta get after, gotta do. Sweating, because I got the windows up, and I'm talking, ew, put your fucking foot back in, that's disgusting, ew. Gotta pass out, hold on, yeah, I need some breaths. Woo-wee! Oh, I gotta catch this light. Physical, where, you know, that's always a focus too. That's a big priority, to be honest. I want my body to feel good. I want to feel healthy. I don't want to be hurting like before. So I'm mindful of what I do. I try not to overdo it. We're going to the gym at least, like, sometimes it feels like every day, maybe every other day, 4 times a week, 5 times a week, something like that. We're trying to stay consistent. I'm losing weight. I just weighed myself, I'm at like 167 now. Y'all, that is such a milestone because I can't remember the last time I had broke under 170. The only time I was in that range was probably when I was growing up and hitting the growth spurts and shit like that. We gymming every day as much as we can. I'm hitting like at least 100, 150 push-ups a day as well. There's a lot of things flowing, y'all. We're trying to better ourselves, better our lives, trying to figure out these careers, what we want to do, trying to make good money, start up other endeavors outside of work, focus on the business, the brand, get back the merch. There's so much shit to focus on. There's not enough us. And I know a lot of people deal with that problem where just not enough hours in the day. And yes, we could obviously use our hours better with some things, but it's like, we're only human, so we have faults in some areas. There's sometimes we gotta relax because our mental takes a drain, or our physical or whatever. So like, whether as much as your mind or you tell yourself you want it as bad, sometimes you need to take a step back and breathe and relax because your body needs it. Whether you do it or not, sometimes your body is gonna make you do it. I catch my inflammations, or like I turn the wrong way and boom, my lower back, and I'm out for 2-3 days. Like I'm moving like a crippled old man. I've had some really bad times where it just took me out for weeks, and all my progress, everything, dude, is just gone. Lately, since I've been consistent, I've been taking my supplements, I've been mindful of what I'm eating more, my body has been progressing better and it has been healing so much better. Now if like I feel a pain or something that's really excruciating, usually knock on wood, but only lasts like 3 days, opposed to maybe a week or 2, sometimes 3. But like I've been having this annoyance in my neck for it feels like a month now, on and off, some more on than off. So y'all, we made it home. This is Rish in his rebuilt TSX. You guys see that front end used to be caved the fuck in, but now it ain't. Yeah, buddy. And shout out to Ryan. Ryan helped a big part in this, and some of the other homies that gave me some parts and stuff.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.